You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
When it gets to the plating side or the finishing side or the anodizing side, those finishers have a tough time sometimes of really getting those lubricants and cutting fluids and things like that off. So it's really, I guess, imperative from a OEM standpoint or from a manufacturer or even the finisher to really get those things, those contaminants off these parts as best they can.
Absolutely. Yep. And another benefit too is kind of adding to its versatility. It can be used at a wide range for temperature and concentration. You could be using it at 120, 130 degrees, spraying it at 1% to 2%. Or if you have a really aggressive application, you could ramp up the concentration to 20 or 30% in an ultrasonic tank and crank up the temperature if you need to as well. So you really kind of have that versatility to use this product in a way that best suits your application and your needs.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.